Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install VLC Media Player. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you will require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the Google search bar, you need to type VLC Media Player and press enter. You'll get the first link, official download of VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player, it's a free and open source software. Okay, so you can click on the first link. So this is the official website. This is videolan.org. Over here, there's a small button. You can click on it. In this, you can see it is built for Windows operating system, Windows 64-bit. Okay, and it is also available for Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Okay, you can also download this software for your mobile phone, Android, on Play Store. Okay, for now, we are going to download it for the Windows 64-bit. So I'll click Windows 64-bit, and the file download will start automatically. If it does not start, you can click here. See, file download has started. This will take a minute to get downloaded. Alright, so our file has got downloaded. I'll click on this open. Once clicked on open, you will get a pop. You need to select yes. Okay, I'll close the web browser. Alright, so it's the installer. You need to click, you can select the language, then click on OK, click on next, then click on next to continue. It also comes with the web plugins. Okay, if you want, you can check this. Otherwise, click on next. Then over here, you get the directory to change. If you want to install it on a specific directory, you can change it. Otherwise, click on install. So this will start the installation. Okay, you can see a Windows on the Windows desktop. You can see a VLC Media Player icon has got created. So I'll just uncheck this. Click on finish. Now how you can open a VLC Media Player? You can double click this icon, it will open. You can click on Windows. In search, you can type VLC. See, you have got the option VLC Media Player. Okay, I'll click on VLC Media Player over here. Double click this icon. On opening the software for the first time, you'll get a privacy and network access policy pop up. You just need to click on continue. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's an interface, a lot of options, a lot of features it comes with. Okay, so we'll play some sample video. Okay, click on File Explorer. Let me check for the videos. Okay, in videos I can see I have one sample video recorded by me. So if I have to open it, I can do right click, open with. See over here I got an option VLC Media Player. Okay, I can choose it. It also asks select an app to open this .mp4 file. So to right now default player is Media Player. If I want to make VLC Media Player as a default one, I can select this one and click on always. Okay, so this is the recorded. So I'll close this. So that's how the installation of VLC Media Player is. That's all for today. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.